Hey, how's it going? I'm going to show you how to replace the battery in this BMW key fob. First thing you want to do is get the tools you need. First thing you need is a small screwdriver, preferably a flathead. This is one that came from a cell phone repair kit. You also need a battery. This specific key fob takes a 2450, and here's the battery. I got it off Amazon, and there's a link below. It only costs a few dollars. First thing you want to do is push this button, pull the key fob out. Next thing is this little tab right here. You want to push down on that. So take your screwdriver and just pop that up like that. There's your battery. You can take that out right here. Okay, put that right back in. Now when you're closing it up, this back piece, there's a little blade right there that goes in the bottom here. Make sure you give it a good squeeze, and you're all set. Thanks for watching. Make sure you hit that thumbs up button.